Are you ready for another adventure? Fasten your seatbelts and come with me on this surprising discovery. This unexpected snowstorm in March made for some epic views. You won't believe I'm in Ireland. As I've said before, Ireland is a beautiful country with stunning scenery, but it's known as the Emerald Island for a reason. It's covered in lush green. So when you see a snowy wonderland such as the one you're looking at now, it is all that much more special. My intention had been to explore the Loch Braid Loop trail, but I could never have anticipated what I would find. If I had, I would have brought my snowboard or something like that. I just had to stop along the way to take in all the scenery. To get to the trail, you take the old military road. You probably remember this road from the videos on Glendalough. It was built between 1800 and about 1809 after the 1798 rebellion so that the British Army could root out all the insurgents that were hiding in the mountains. We made it up to the beautiful Loch Braid Lower. The surroundings were not as covered in snow, but it was still a beautiful sight, full of lush green around it. Loch Braid Lower is easy to access. It's just a short walk from the road. Now you might remember Powerscourt from another video I did. It's an amazing estate, and this house that you will see along the lake, it was built in the 1800s as a shooting lodge for the Powerscourt estate, and a private man-made beach on the western side of the lake. Interestingly, the sand was hauled all the way from Britta's Bay. At some point, it was also owned by the Guinness family. It's still a private residence and it's switched hands a couple times over the years. Now the Loch Braid Loop, this walk is a fantastic 6.7 kilometer hike, and you will circle Loch Braid Lower and Loch Braid Upper. Now, to get to the upper lake, you will climb about 300 meters, so be prepared for that. I had intended on making it up to a special place called the Eagle's Crag, a peculiar rock formation that overlooks the lake. There is a small car park from where you can walk very closely to the lower lake, and from there you can start the trail. I didn't have the chance to attempt it today due to the icy conditions, but I will certainly be back to explore this trail. I hope you enjoyed this short adventure. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of it, and if you've ever been, tell me your stories. I really like reading them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.